Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have another lip art tutorial. I will post the links to the ones I already have in the description box, and make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss all the new ones. Also, there are lots and lots of lip art pictures on my Instagram page, which is also linked down below. And let's jump right into the lip art. I always start by applying some primer and foundation to the area around my lips for a better macro photo. I also always prime my lips for the lipstick to glide on smoothly. This lipstick has almost dried down, so it is a bit hard to apply, but oh well, I love a good challenge. The dryness of the lipstick made the lip line a bit messy, but I will correct that later. I'm also applying some purple to the corners and smudging it all out. Now I will use the orange lipstick for the inner part of the ombre. Let's take the purple applicator again and make the gradient smoother. Now let's do a little spooky design. The lines are a bit uneven, but this is the first sketch, so I will perfect that later. Now let's try to draw a shadow for this cobweb, and I will correct the white lines a bit later. Try to keep track of the angle of your shadow. Mine falls to my below and my right. Now, to make it look more like a shadow, it should be more diffused, so let's blend it out. I'm just using a clean brush to blend. I feel like some parts came out a bit too dark, so I'm re-adding some orange. Now I will blend the black and purple part. Finally, the effect looks more 3D, and I can add some white to finish the art. The lines on the upper lip look much better now, don't they? cobweb looks much better now. Last but definitely not the least, I need to correct the lip line with foundation. Blend out that foundation line. And we're done! Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to check out my other lip art tutorials and also a nail art video linked in the description box. And if you liked this tutorial, please give the video a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next one. Bye bye, loves!